Hi, it's Kevin. In a couple weeks, SUSD will be asking for an extension of the M&O override that was approved in 2019. Now, you may be asking yourself, didn't we just approve a ballot measure for education last year? We did. And I was confused at first as well. Let me explain the difference to you. Let me explain what I learned. Last year, the voters of Scottsdale generously approved a district additional assistance override. This ballot measure this year is to continue the maintenance and operations override that was approved 4 years ago in 2019. What's the difference, you may be asking? Last year, the DAA funding funded things like objects and physical stuff like desks, sporting equipment, music equipment, physical stuff. The M&O override this year supports people. People like salaries, the staff, and the very essence of what makes our educational system great. First, let me be clear. Your taxes are not going up by approving this M&O override. They're simply staying the same. So it will not cost you any additional taxes by approving this. So what do you get when you vote yes and approve an M&O override? Well, you get appropriate class sizes so students can get the attention they deserve. You maintain full-day Wednesdays instruction and all-day kindergarten. The state does not fund this by default. It's only made possible by overrides such as this one. You'll get continuation of music and arts in our schools, which I think is very important. Passing the M&O override invests in teacher salaries so that SUSD can attract and retain the very best educators possible. And lastly, it supports technology that prepares students to succeed in their career. Remember, a yes vote renews funding to support our neighborhoods and supports our property values. Ballots arrive in your mailbox on October 11th. I hope you'll read the M&O carefully and consider voting yes. I know I am.